Sanibonani. We are celebrating birthday kaSamke kuphela this month. Yes, we can see nje since uMacele find out ukubana uSamke, like since nje number 5 has been introduced, honestly uMacele has been so happy. We can see lana uMacele inviting uSamke to have a girls meet out. So she says that ukubana it's for her birthday and she's been the only person that she is fully welcoming uSamke. So we don't know ukubana does she genuinely mean ukubana she accepts her as umfazi kaMusa Mseleku, okanye she is happy because nje she's doing it to spite the rest of the wife, like Khumalo, Mangwabe, ukubana hayi niveke nani lento nami ebendiyiva ngoxa nifikile nonke la. So maybe she is actually genuinely supporting uMusa Mseleku, but nje it looks like is that love ha niyayiva ke ukubana how deep does it cut when another woman comes after you and again and again and again and again, like especially for like Khumalo, and then from Khumalo it came Mangwabe, from Mangwabe ngoko nguMakhwela. So nje she's like hayi nizozizwa ke lezinto nami engangihlala ngizizwa when all of you guys came here. So yeah, we can see lana she's been happy. Nampile futhi phela uMusa Mseleku, uMacele, she's like the only wife he actually like feels kind of comfortable to speak with whatever that he'll be going through, whether it's in number 5, whether it's about kids, whether it's about uSamke, Usne. So yeah, I also feel like actually Mseleku he has given uMacele that authority yokubana before I do anything I am going to talk to you as the first wife, because I feel like nje ukuthi also that thing onayo, it gives uMacele the power of like I am actually Indlunkulu, even though I respect the way uMusa Mseleku you like greet all his wife, you address them as Indlunkulu uMacele, Indlunkulu uMangwabe, Indlunkulu uMayeni, Indlunkulu uMakhumalo. That's how he actually addresses all of them when he's greeting them. So ke ngoku yibirthday ka number 5, the eye rolling queen. Singaba yini nkosi yami with my man and I. So ke sive nje ukubana sibone ukuthi hayi my man and I, we are going for whatever for my birthday. Let me know, what do you guys think ukubana is Macele being genuinely okanye